Hi friends, welcome to Bright Future Shantanu. Today's topic is multiply any two-digit number with 11. Let's start. If you can't understand, you can pause the video. Trick 1. 35 into 11 is equal to, what will be the answer? Step 1, add both digits of two-digit number, that is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And step 2, place the result in between both digits, that is 3 and 5. Between 3 and 5 the results put 8 and the answer will be 35 into 11 is equal to 385. Let's see examples. 27 into 11 is equal to, between the numbers 2 plus 7 9. 2 plus 7 9, so answer will be 297. 62 into 11, 6 plus 2, 8. Between 6 and 2 you put 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, so answer 6 8 2. And 43 into 11 is equal to, between 4 and 3 you put the number 4 plus 3 equal to 473. Note, if two digits sum is more than 9, then follow rule 2. Rule 2 is step 1, same as first rule. You should add first two digits. Example, 95 into 11 is equal to, what will be the answer? 9 plus 5 is equal to 40. Step 2, carry the 1 when the result is greater than 9. Here 14 is greater than 9, so you add 9 plus 1 because 95. And step 2, place the result between both digits 10 and 5 is equal to, put the result 4. 95, 10 and 5. Between 10 and 5 you put the result 4, that is 1045. Let's see the example that will clear all your doubt. 38 into 11, what will be the answer? 47 into 11, what will be the answer? Guys, please comment in comment box and let's see what will be the answer at the last. 66 into 11 and 86 into 11 is equal to 38 into 11. 3 plus 8, you should put 3 plus 8 between 3 and 8 and you should add 1 as the first digit. The answer will be 418. Same, 4 plus 7, 11, so greater than 9, so you should add the number with first digit 4, so 4, 1 will be add with 4, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, answer will be 517, and 5 plus 8, 13, greater than 9, so the 9, 13 will be between 5 and 8 and 1 will carry with 5. 5 plus 1 6 is equal to, answer will be 638. Guys, very easy. 66 into 11, 6 plus 6 12, that is greater than 9, so this will be between 6 and 6, so 12 will be between 6 and 6 and 1 will carry with 6, that is 726. 86 into 11, 8 plus 6, that is 14, greater than 9, so 1 will be carry with 8. So here between 8 and 6, 14 will put and 1 will carry plus 8. So the answer will be 946. So very easy that you will solve this question all 2-digit numbers 3 seconds. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and press the bell icon and subscribe Bright Future Shantanu. Thank you. See you soon.